Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a geometric fish. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So let's start off with the color pencils. I'll draw the frame of the fish first, and then I'll do the mesh, and then I'll get into coloring. So let's get started, and if you have any questions, comments, and if you want me to draw something, let me know in the comments below. So then, enjoy! So there you go. I used color pencils and I also blended in the colors with different colors in one triangle. As you can see here, this is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop, link in the description box below to buy products. And I put some next videos for you here as well, including a playlist, the geometric drawing playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and if you have any questions, comments, and if you want me to draw something specific, let me know in the comments below, and any other questions as well. And I also do DIY projects, so if you have any ideas, let me know. So then have a great day. Bye.